Good evening and welcome to another session of learning Lightroom Classic the easy way. And one of the proprietary things that is very helpful to do is to organize your menus in the best possible way for your workflow, and it can also limit mistakes. The first thing we're going to look at is adjusting the toolbar at the top of the screen and only letting it contain what we need. So in this instance, I'm going to take away all the distracting elements and only leave the library and develop. So if I press my control key and right click my mouse, I will get up a sub-menu that's ticked. What I want to do is untick, and I control and click again and untick, control and again, control again, control, and now all we've got is library and develop. And the first thing we want to do is we want to put our menu in solo mode. So how to do that? Again, press the control key and click on this bar here where it says basic, and you will get up show all, expand all, customize, etc. And what I've done is I want to go into solo mode. What solo mode means is that if I click one of these, it's only this panel will open, not every other panel as well. Makes it easy because if I click basic on the screen, I only see the items that affect basic. And I can close the triangle by just pressing the little triangle. The next thing I want to do is, you remember our workflow, we went from basic, we did lens corrections, and we did transform. And what if these were just stacked below one another for easy access? So what we're going to do is we're going to change the order of these. And if I press this, again pressing the control key and click on the basic, what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize the develop module, the develop panel. You'll notice a little mistake here, and what I've actually done at the end of the clip, I have reorganized it in the correct order. And click on the transform and bring that up to the third position. And now what I've got is my workflow. I'm going to carry out my white balance and changes. I'm going to effectively carry out my lens correction, and then I'm going to transform straighten the image. Okay, so if I save this, it's going to ask me to create a new session because it needs to do this to open to secure that these changes have taken place. So I'm just going to say save. And a relaunch is required, so we're going to relaunch the software. When we relaunch the software, you'll now find we've got basic, lens corrections and transform, which is more in line with our workflow. Once again, I hope this video has shown you how to adjust the software to your workflow, and you will find it interesting and useful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on Lightroom Classic. Remember, Lightroom Classic can be learned the easy way.